Welcome friends to our new YouTube channel IPR Chair IIT Roorkee. We all know that we are living in the era of knowledge economy. That means where knowledge is our new source of wealth creation. We have transitioned from the period of service-led economy to knowledge-led economy. 21st century is the period where if you can create new knowledge, you can protect that knowledge and utilize that knowledge for your wealth creation, then only you can prosper. Nations, organizations, individuals who understand these things, they are prospering like anything. Realizing these changes, realizing these transitions, Government of India also introduced National IPR policy in the year 2016. And under that national IPR policy, it was realized that we need to make India IP savvy nation. And only when we become IP savvy nation, we will be able to do new innovations and utilize those innovations for our prosperity. We do a lot of technology imports. We want to become Viksit Bharat. And that is only possible when we create our own technology. And for that, there is a requirement of mind shift change. And for that purpose, we are introduced the system of IPR chairs in various universities, institutions. Under that, IIT Roorkee is having IPR chair, which is among the oldest IPR chairs in the country. As a IPR chair, we have to do lot of teaching and research in the field of intellectual property rights. We have introduced different types of courses in the field of IPR, and at the same time, we are involved in extensive outreach activities. This YouTube channel is also an effort that how we can propose the idea of intellectual property rights to the masses. And with this idea, we want to create multiple short videos. So with the help of these videos, we want to educate you about the happenings of IPR at national as well as international level, so that we can understand that how IPR is going to play a very important role in current business environment. There are different types of intellectual property rights. However, commonly we know about patent, but there are design, copyrights, geographical indicators, and semiconductor layouts also. We need to understand what are the differences between different types of IP tools. In which particular scenario, a particular type of IP tool is more useful. There may be a confusion. Should I protect it as a trademark or should I protect it as a copyright? There are situations where even GI versus trademark can be under the discussion. So with the help of these series of videos, we want to educate you, and therefore I request all of you to subscribe our YouTube channel. Just to start, I will like to give you a very brief introduction about different types of intellectual property rights. Different types of intellectual property rights can be classified in two broad categories. One, which are falling under one category, that is literary copyrights, literary IPRs. These are copyrights. And then other type of intellectual property rights, which are known as industrial rights. And then under the industrial rights, you have patent, you have design, you have trademark, you have geographical indicators, etc. In our country, we have a very important nodal agency, which is known as DPIIT, which is coming under the Ministry of Commerce, which is responsible for all the types of IP related matters in our country. And with the help of DPIIT, these IPR chairs are created in various universities, and all the IPR chairs are actively involved in creating knowledge as well as research in the field of intellectual property rights. In the coming videos, we will be giving you salient features of each type of IPR as well as what are the important cases, so that you can relate that how these IPRs are actually important in prosperity of our organization as well as for the nation. If you import technologies, you will never be able to prosper. If you create technology, how can you prosper? So with the help of these videos, we will be giving you important information, and at the same time, we will be educating all of you in the field of intellectual property rights. So I again welcome you all to this series of YouTube, and at the same time, I request you to subscribe so that you can continuously get updates whenever a new video comes about intellectual property rights. Thank you very much.